Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Winload.Efi is missing or corrupt error. First method is used in BIOS-based system, boot with bootable CD or USB. Click repair your computer. Click troubleshoot. Click command prompt. Type /fix boot. If any error in this command, use bootsex /nt60 sys. Type /scan os. Type /fix mbr. Type /rebuild bcd. Type Y to continue. Exit and start Windows 10. Second method is used for UEFI system. Click repair your computer. Click troubleshoot. Click command prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type select disk 0. Type list partition. Select your system partition. Type select partition 1. Type assign letter =sign V. Type exit from disk part. Type bcd boot c:\Windows /s v:\f UEFI. Exit and continue start Windows 10. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.